Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get premium only poly AI, right? So it's really easy thing to do. So here you can see on the last video I've explained you how to use this app and how you can just create characters and everything, right? So if you want to get a premium here, as you can see here, for example, if I just go to generate images here, generate images, and I can just create images and everything. So they don't sell any kind of premium here. But if I, you can see here, this is a create a character, this is a daily task. You can just go and reward this and you can use this, all this stuff, right? Same way, you can just go and click on your home page and you will be here, and this leaderboard will be show up weekly. You can just do the battle here. I mean, you have to create a characters. You can see here the person with our top, right? She, or I don't know, he or she, they have 35 characters, and all these characters are being used by the people to create a communication and everything, right? So in this way, if you want to look for a good characters, you can search for it. For example, if I go to the celebrity, right, here's some of the popular celebrity here. So for example, if I want to chat with this actress here, right, I can do this. And by the way, they're not genuine, okay? These are the AI characters, right? And this is how it's looked. It's really nice. I hope you video found this video very useful. Subscribe.